All right, maybe you've seen our other video of the map of the world with all 7 continents. Now we're gonna go micro and just do one continent. We're gonna start off with South America. So here's what my vertical paper, we're gonna do a portrait instead of landscape, fold our paper this way. And I've already drawn this line, which is gonna symbolize the equator. So let me just write equator here. And now we're gonna do the rough outline of South America. So we started off on our map of the world with a point very close to the edge. And we're going to do 45 degrees northeast for our first point. These 3 points are going to be in line with each other. So we're going to do a mirror image right here. And we're going to do another point all the way down at the bottom of the paper, which is going to be close to the Antarctic Circle. And then our last point, close to, this would be the prime meridian, the edge of our paper. We're going to go close to the edge of our paper and slightly south for our final point. And we're going to connect those. In class, we'll use rulers to make good crisp lines. All right. Here's our rough outline of South America. Now we're going to actually draw geometric lines to make all the countries, and we're going to label them with proper spelling and everything. So first, we're going to go halfway on this line, and we're going to put a little point. Break this up into half. Then we're going to connect it to our very top line. We'll teach this over a week or two, step by step. We'll do it again and again for repetition. Now we're going to pretend like this is an ice cream cone, ice cream, and then the cone. So we're going to draw a line cross-secting this one. So here's our cone, and here's the top of it. And then last, on the southern side, we're going to draw a line straight down. So now let's label a couple of our nations that we've done. Here's Uruguay. This nation here, Argentina. And the skinny nation off to the side, Chile. Okay, so next we can do the northern part. First, we're going to start here in the very corner, and we're going to intersect this all the way to the north part. Just like so. For our top section, we have 5 countries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is Colombia. This country, you see a V, so we're going to say it's Venezuela. It's a terrible V. These two are similar, but they have different spellings. This is Guyana. And this one, spelled slightly different, French Guiana. So I say it like that on purpose so that students know the difference. Guyana and Guyana. Helps with spelling. And the one in the middle, Suriname. This country here, Brazil. Now, we have a few more lines to draw. There are 4 nations here. This one is tiny, and this one is tiny. This one, which is right on the equator, is Ecuador. Just spelled different from equator. Then we have Peru, Bolivia, and this little country here, very similar to Uruguay, is Paraguay. And then for effect, I'll label the Atlantic Ocean, North and South, and the Pacific Ocean. And that's our map of South America.